Hi friends, a very warm welcome to another tutorial of Easy Video Series. This is Mayank Agarwal here, and here I am going to show you how to install Windows 8 Consumer Preview in a VirtualBox. Friends, Windows have actually hit the markets and people are expecting a lot of this sort of operating system. So let's install Windows 8 in VirtualBox today. There are few settings to be tweaked and taken care of, so I will show you that. Start your VirtualBox, click on New. We have a Create Machine Wizard, click Next. Now the OS I have Windows 8 CP Consumer Preview. It automatically selects Windows 8. I am giving 1 GB RAM depending on a system. Please make sure that you assign at least 512 MB. You can change or move the slider as you want. Now create a startup disk. Okay. It will ask you which type of image. I select the VirtualBox disk image, giving the fastest performance. Upon your requirements, you can have dynamically or fixed. I keep it dynamically so that it automatically allocates that amount of space. So location, I am selecting G drive virtual. You can select any one which you want. Winate. Say with any name which you want. You can give your name here. I keep the default ones, and finally click on create. At any point, if you want to go back, you can go back from here. I just create. Okay, the back window, create again. So you see Windows 8 virtual machine is being done here. So now before booting it, first right click this and go to settings. Okay, in the setting box you can have like general settings. Okay, main here is to come to the system. I would say disable the floppy drive because there is no floppy drive nowadays, and make sure these two are ticked. By default this would be ticked only. If you wish to have, you can untick this, enable absolute mounting device. If you have multiple processor, you can assign the processors to it. I am keeping it one because I have a triple processor. Execution cap, let it be 100%. Make sure this is ticked. Tick this. Enable PANX. Okay, this should be ticked. Now come to the acceleration. Make sure you have these two options also as ticked. So this should be checked. So this should be checked, this should be checked, this should be checked. Okay. Then display. If you want, you can have enable 3D acceleration, so that if you have good RAM, you have a graphic card, you can change this to at least 32 MB. Okay. The rest you need not change anything. Just click on OK. Then now right click on the virtual machine tab and click start. So we will have the first time boot wizard. So now it is asking like which media source. If you are burnt on a CD, you can directly select the CD-ROM. Okay, I have an ISO of image of this, like Windows 8 Consumer 32-bit ISO. If you have a 64-bit ISO, you can select a 64-bit ISO. Just select it and click open. Okay, so media source is added. Now go to next. So everything is fine, and do it start. So there you go. Now we will start our consumer preview. See, it's loading now. Some sweet graphics, I would say. So yeah, you can select your time and currency format. Since I am from India, I will select India. Go on next, click on install now. So I guess this would take around 20 to 25 minutes. Now there is nothing after this. This is similar. It will ask you for the serial. Okay, I have given the serials to you. See, here is a serial. The serial will be there in my description also. You can get the serial from there. Okay, so I just copy this serial to just show you that it works. XJ7X BW8 2237 80 X22 BTX, don't put the dashes, it will be automatically BKG7J, BKG7J. Press enter, or you can click next. Accepts, click on I accept, click next. Here you can, since it's a virtual machine, you can have custom installation, or you can have upgrade if you want to upgrade from Windows 7 to 8. I'll just select custom. Now as I selected 20 GB, you can partition your drives here by clicking on drive options advanced. You can have a new partition. I keep it for 20 GB only. Click on next, and now your installation begins. So depending on the procedure, it will take some time. Okay, so finally we get to this screen. You can choose a background color of your choice. Let's have this. PC name, you can give your PC name, just make it next. So you can have some express settings, or if you want to have more detailed location, you can have customizing. Email address at gmail.com. You can give your email address. Okay, if you don't have an email address, just click on this to get it signed up, but I don't think it will be. This is going for network connection. I will disable it for a moment. Let's see what happens. Okay, Windows is having trouble. So we are having our local account. Username Mayank Agarwal. Password, let me keep it ABC. No hint. Never give a hint to your password for security reasons. And click on finish. So here it comes, finalizing your settings. So Windows Easy as like almost Windows 7, more easier to install. But I'm not sure about the working of Windows 8 because they have redesigned the UI. Even they have removed the start button, which fell to criticism a lot. So maybe it might ask for a restart. Let's see. So we had selected the express settings. Had you gone for the custom settings, you could have actually selected a photo for you, and the photo would have been displayed here. So there you go, your Windows has started now. So username, you can change your account picture if you want. Let's have a test picture. Personalize. Oh, you need to activate Windows, so cannot do anything. Just close it, and here you go. So let's go on the desktop. So as you know, Windows 7 8 has actually removed the start button from here. I don't know why. And let's explore Windows. So one of the new thing here is the Explorer has now a ribbon interface as opposed to the traditional toolbar thing, which is a good thing I feel. Windows 7 should actually have this. So yeah, some other options. UI and icons are more or less like Windows 7 only. Okay, thank you for watching. Hope you learned how to install Windows 8 consumer preview on the VirtualBox. Have a nice time. Please subscribe to my channel DC video series. Have a nice time. Goodbye.